Hey guys, so today we're going to make this beautiful cake which also tastes really fruity and delicious. These are the ingredients that you're going to need for the sponge cake, and if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to grease and line a 6-inch round pan. Set it aside, then you're going to beat your egg whites on high. Once they reach soft peak stage, you're going to stop. Then add in your baking powder and your vanilla extract and beat it on high again till it reaches firm peak stage. After that, you're going to stop. Then add in your egg yolk one at a time. And beat that in on medium speed. Once that's blended in, then add in the other egg yolk and beat it in. Do the same thing for the last one. And beat that for 1 to 2 more minutes. Then add in your powdered sugar. And beat that till it's nice and glossy. This will be about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you're going to set the beaters aside. Then take a spatula and add in half of your flour. Then fold it in the batter using light movements. Just like that. And you're going to keep doing this till you see no dry flour remaining in the batter. Then add in the remaining flour and continue folding it in. That is how your batter should look like once it's all done. Then you're going to pour the batter in your cake pan. And smooth it out using your spatula. And bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean, just like that. Then you're going to set it aside to cool completely. Now these are the ingredients you're going to need for the sugar syrup to soak the cake. First, add your sugar in a vessel. Then add in your water. And switch on the flame on low. And you're going to let it bubble away without stirring it. Once the sugar dissolves, let it stay for 2 to 3 more minutes. And then switch off the flame. And add in your pineapple extract, which is optional. And cover and let it cool completely. After your cake cools completely, you're going to release it from the sides using a knife. Then place a plate over the top and flip it. And your cake should come out easily. And take off the baking paper. Then before cutting the cake into layers, you're going to take a plate and place a plastic wrap on it. And then proceed to cut the cake in the center and make sure to use a really big long knife. And make sure to cut the layers as even as possible. And then you're going to brush the layers with the sugar syrup. And you're going to brush till you see that everything is nicely soaked up in the sugar syrup. And as the cake has no butter, it's going to soak up the syrup and become really moist. Now, these are the ingredients for the filling and the frosting. So first you're going to whip your whipping cream and make sure the whipping cream is really cold. And midway you're going to add in your powdered sugar 1 tablespoon at a time and keep beating it. And once it's all whipped up, you're going to set it aside. And take your fruit in a bowl and make sure it's chopped into pieces. And take your lower layer and place the whipped cream on it. And spread it as evenly as possible. Then place your fruit pieces on the top. You can place as many as you like. And then you're going to place your next layer on the top. Then go ahead and coat the cake in a very thin layer of frosting. This is just to crumb coat the cake. It doesn't have to be perfect. Then place the cake in the freezer for 30 minutes. But once that's done, you're going to frost the cake in another layer of frosting. This will be the final layer. The freezing ensures that there are no crumbs of cake in the frosting. Then take a decorating comb and run it along the sides of the cake. And this is really optional. Then just make a rough circle in the center of the cake and place pieces of chopped fruit in the center. Then you're going to take some pink colored whipped cream and you're going to draw circles like that on top of the cake. Then fill in a circle with fruits and take a toothpick and draw lines like that on the cake, as you can see in the video. This just adds a cool effect. Then you're going to take some whipped cream and pipe stars at the edge of the cake. You can really decorate the cake however you like. Then you're going to refrigerate the cake for 2 to 3 hours, and it was really hot, so I just rushed to refrigerate it. Then you're going to slice and serve. And this slices so easily. Here is a beautiful slice. That looks so delicious. I turned over the cake to show you how it looked like. And here is a spoonful. I had to taste this cake. It was so good. And here is another clip of the center of the cake. I hope you like this video and do give this cake a try because I'm so sure you will love it. And do check out my other videos on my channel and do subscribe to keep updated with all of my recipes because I will have so many more coming. And do leave me suggestions down in the comment section because I would love those, and also if you have any questions, leave them down as well. I'll see you soon. Bye!